Hi, my name is Gail Hoffman. I'm from North Reddington Beach, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, coconuts are the seed of the coconut palm, which originally are from Malaysia, but now are found in South America, India, Hawaii, and here in Florida. And they grow on the coconut palm, and they have an outer coating, and then inside is the coconut in the hard shell, and then inside that is the flesh of the coconut. When you're purchasing a coconut, to find out if it's fresh, it's important that you shake it and listen for the coconut milk inside. If there's no coconut milk inside, then it's probably old and the milk has dried. There's some kind of leak in the outer shell, and the center has become dried out.